How to use PrizePicks with a VPN. Want to access PrizePicks from anywhere? Here's a quick guide on using a VPN to do just that. First of all, choose and install a VPN. So download and install a VPN like Proton VPN, ExpressVPN, or NordVPN. Now, follow the installation prompts on your device. Then, open the VPN app and select a server location where PrizePicks is accessible. Tap the connect button to establish the VPN connection with the server. Now, launch your web browser or the PrizePicks app. So go to PrizePicks website or open the application. Enter your PrizePicks credentials to log in, or if you don't have an account, you should create one if you don't have it. Then, to place picks, browse through available picks and make your selections. And to place bets, you should follow the prompts to place them. Now, to disconnect from the VPN, go back to the VPN app and tap the disconnect button when you're done using PrizePicks. Now you're all set to enjoy PrizePicks from anywhere with the help of a VPN. For more tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.